rain from upcoming. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 405, effective until 10 p.m. This watch includes the following county: Chisago, Minnesota, and Polk, Wisconsin. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. What sources for the latest severe weather information? The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 406, effective until 10 p.m. This watch includes the following county: Chisago, Minnesota, and Polk, Wisconsin. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather statements and possible warnings. For weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. 76 of Alexandria. Around Wisconsin, at Madison, rain was falling with a The National Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Chisago County, Isanti County, until 8:30 p.m. At 7:59 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles north per hour. Expected 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected: damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Located: Food, Cambridge, North Branch, Isanti, Rush City, Spring Lake, Athens, Spencer Brook, Stodgefield, Harris, Dalbo, Cambridge Airport, and Granby. This includes Interstate 35 mile markers 143 and 163. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for east central Minnesota and northwestern Wisconsin. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. for the following counties in Minnesota: Chisago and Isanti. This is weather radio station KEC 65 Minneapolis, St. Paul. On a frequency location. Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a tornado warning for central Chisago County, east central Isanti County, west central Polk County in northwestern Wisconsin until 8:45 p.m. At 8:15 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Cambridge, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near North Branch around 8:20 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Spring Lake, Harris, Wolf Creek, Wild River, State Park, and Branch. Take cover now. Move to a bakery room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeat, a tornado warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. for the following counties: Chisago and Isanti, in Polk, Wisconsin. The National Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Arlington County, southwestern Isanti County, northeastern Sherburne County, until 9:30 p.m. At 8:55 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Zimmerman, or 20 miles west of Cambridge, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Andover, Ramsey, Elk River, St. Francis, Zimmerman, Oak Grove, Northern, Oric, Cedar, and Sherburne National Wildlife Refuge. This includes U.S. Highway 169 between mile markers 162 and 173. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for central and east central Minnesota. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:30 p.m. This is weather radio station.
The next day.
Thunderstorms in the evening and shower. The National Weather Service in Chanhassen, Minnesota has just activated the warning alarm on 13 NOAA weather radio stations across central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. During dangerous weather situations, these specially built radios are automatically activated to warn for the hazard. Tests of these radios are normally conducted by the National Weather Service in Chanhassen every Wednesday at 1 p.m. If severe weather threatens the area near the normal test time, the test will be postponed until the next good weather day. The warning alarm will be activated for selected watches, warnings, and statements affecting central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. This concludes the test of the warning system. We now return to normal programming.